Before reviewing the email timeline, understand this. Attorney Ashley Oldham had full knowledge of the key facts before the August 14th hearing. She had proof the criminal charge belonged to the father. She had proof of chronic educational neglect. She had proof he had been in federal prison. She had proof of documented domestic violence, including the 2023 incident and the minor's 911 call. She had proof of financial exploitation, coercive control, and destabilization caused by him. And she had proof the mother maintained stability for the children until external interference disrupted it. Given all of that, the question becomes very simple. How does an attorney with this level of documented evidence of danger turn around and strip a mother of every parental right? This was not a custody ruling. This was a cleanup job, and once a domestic violence. Victim corrects the timeline showing the investments, the criminal charges, the domestic violence, and the documented abuse. The case stops being about custody at all. It becomes what it actually is, a system shielding a documented abuser, not by accident, but because only he knew the true timeline. Only he knew the relationship ended in July 2023. Only he knew his minor daughter had to call the police that night and physically intervene. Only he knew he allowed the mother of his children to compromise her bank account and get arrested for his mess. Only he knew he served almost 10 years in federal prison. Only he knew he had secretly sold the property and used those funds to hire the firm, while owing over $93,000 in debt and leaving her with the criminal and financial liability. So what did he do before filing? He made promises. He stalled. He removed the youngest child from child care. He stopped paying aftercare. He destabilized her and the children. He used threats, intimidation, and degradation. He planned his offload. So when he walked into the firm and handed over $5,000 with a false timeline ending the relationship, in 2021, he used Ashley Oldham's office to facilitate fraud and exploitation with the intent to criminally entrap the mother of his children. That was not an allegation. That was a confession. The only thing Ashley had to do was basic due diligence. One of the easiest steps was opening the 9 emails with the Google Drive containing over 70 files. Had she done that, the timeline would have been corrected. And once you correct the timeline, the entire narrative collapses. Only Ashley had the full information. Her actions pulled the state of North Carolina into the deceit and handed an abuser, a weapon that compounded the harm he was already doing.